3 years ago, we made a decision that changed our lives forever. Marami ako naging decision sa buhay ko, pero yun ang isa sa masasabi ko na pinasalamatan ko ang aking sarili kasi ginawa ko yun.
Nagsimula tayo sa isang simpleng kwento. Isang kwento na hindi ko inaakalang magiging paborito kong basahin habang buhay. I promise to continue writing it with you chapter by chapter for all the days of our lives.
Decade ago, I've been praying for someone like you na dumating sa buhay ko. And I want to thank God na binigay ka niya sa akin.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil ipinakita niya sa akin na may pagmamahal na hindi kumukupas, bagkus ay tumitindi pa. Madami akong maling naging desisyon sa buhay ko at ikaw lang ang siguradong tama ako.
When life is not easy anymore, when difficult moments happens, can you still say to each other, I love you, and express how much you love each other? A person who is willing to suffer with you truly loves you.
Salamat dahil dumating ka sa panahong kailangan ko ng karamay. I found love when I found you. I promise to make you feel safe. Pangako hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangako sa akin you will be heard, you will be seen, and you will be considered. You can tell me everything, laugh if you want to, and cry if you need to.
Destiny is very kind to me. Talagang ginawa ka pang kapitbahay ko. At tuwing umaga nakikita kita naghuhugas ng plato sa likod ng bahay niyo mula sa bintana ng kwarto ko. Sa panahon na yon, parang gusto kong maging plato at kumain ng bula. My life is already planned bago ako dumating sa buhay ko. Lahat naka-timeline. At ikaw yung kumompleto nito. There are no words to express my gratitude for feeling me, especially for giving me our blue.
We were sitting in a parked car, stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask, but how would you feel if I told you I loved you?
Mahal, tanggapin mo tong gift ko sa'yo. In-stock Canada para makapture natin mga moments natin.
Mahal, tanggapin mo tong regalo ko sa'yo. Relo, para lagi mong maalala na oras ko'y para sa'yo at bawat segundo ng buhay ko, ikaw ang gusto kong makasama. Happy 3 years, mahal ko. Your future wife, Mara.
Tell me that you love me too.
Ang buhay may asawa, buhay palagi ng sharing. Hindi lang sa kutsara, hindi lang sa plato, hindi lang sa baso, but you are going to share everything.
Today, I not only marry you, I also marry your dreams, your ambitions, and your soul. I promise to make you feel safe. Pangako, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Pangako, sa akin, you will be heard, you will be seen, and you will be considered. You can tell me everything. Laugh if you want to, and cry if you need to.
You feel if I told told you I loved you. It's just something that I want to do. I'll be taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. Tell me that you love me too.
If before you face mountain all alone, starting today you don't need to worry. Sabay nating lalakbayin at lalampasan ang marurupok na daanan. Mahal, we will conquer it together. My heart will be your shelter and my arms will be your home. I choose you and I will choose you over and over. Without a pause, without a doubt in every heartbeat of mine, I'll keep choosing you.
Yeah, we were sitting in a park car, stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask. How would you feel?
Sa oras na ito, wala nang atrasan. Desidido na akong maging kasama mo sa mga susunod na araw, linggo, buwan, taon, dekada, at hanggang sa walang hanggan. Lahat ng mga pangarap ko, itutuloy ko at kakabitin ko pa din. Pero this time, kasama na kayo. I really appreciate you. And I love you so much, mahal.
Falling deeper in love with you. Tell me that you love me too. Tell me that you love me too.